Now I'm going to start creating the palm leaves. The trick with the leaves is just to pull in a variety of different green shades. A lot of people will just take it for granted that it's like one shade of green, but really when you look at that, you have bright lime green color, you have like a Kelly green, you have sort of a hunter green, which is like a dark blackish green. What I'm going to do here is just determine where these branches are going to go. And I'm just going to set up the center of each. If you left it like that, it would look really terrible. So be patient, there's more to come. I'm just mapping these out. All right, and then we're going to go back in. Make sure that you have enough paint on your brush. And I'm going to start with the darker shades first. Oh, I'm actually using a really thin flat brush. And one of the tricks is like definitely make sure you have enough paint, because I'm trying to put these leaves in now and I'm seeing my canvas through the paint. There we go. All right. So all I'm really doing here is just turning my brush so that it's flat. And I'm just pulling each of these little pieces out to form the palm leaves. And I'm paying attention to gravity. Which way is gravity pulling these leaves? If the branches are sticking out, they're going to be pulled in a different way than the branches that are hanging down. I want to make sure I get some nice points at the end of each of those leaves. All right, that's a pretty good base. Now I just want to work on creating more contrast. So in here I see I have that dark blackish green color. So I'm going to mix some heavy dark green. I'm starting near the center and I'm just going to pull some of that in. Being careful not to lose the points on the ends of the leaves. One thing that may help you is if you lift your brush slightly while you're painting them, because then, a lifted brush will create more of a point at the end of its line, whereas like a brush that's staying on the canvas will just kind of spread out and your lines remain consistent instead of tapering off.